The UC error code on a Samsung washing machine indicates a power supply problem, which can occur due to an abnormal increase and decrease in voltage during a wash cycle. This issue is often caused by unstable voltage in the mains, resulting in fluctuating voltage surges, or a power supply that is lower than the standard. Additionally, a problem with the washer's control module, such as a software or power sensor malfunction, can also trigger the UC error code, making it impossible for the machine to determine the actual voltage supply. Damage to power cables or sockets can also cause this error, as faulty cables cannot effectively transmit power to the machine. To fix the UC error code, several solutions can be applied. If voltage fluctuation is a common issue in the house, installing a voltage regulator to the power supply can help. It is also recommended to connect the washer directly to the power supply without using extension cables or cords. Furthermore, fixing damaged power cables or sockets is crucial, which involves disconnecting the washer, checking the connection of the existing wires, and replacing them if necessary. The socket should also be checked and replaced if damaged. A faulty control module can be a more complex issue to resolve. To determine if the problem lies with the control module, the washer should be switched off, the front panel removed to access the control module, and checked for signs of wear and tear, burns, or unequal colors on the main processor and chips. If any of these signs are noticed, it is recommended to seek professional help. If none of these solutions work, the machine may have another underlying problem, and it is advised to contact a trusted technician for a diagnosis.